Hey, Tony Dom here. I tell you, I am so excited because I am standing in our new hangar. This has allowed us to more than double our square footage of floor space. We now have close to 20,000 square foot of space between offices and working space, and I'm so blessed. We were supposed to get this hangar in like September, and there was just some delays, which happens in aviation, and then hurricanes hit, and the door had to be rebuilt, but I'll tell you what, the folks at Hawthorne Aviation have worked really hard to get us in this building. I'm so grateful that they've done what they've done. They've really taken good care of us, and we are now in our new hangar. So just wanted to kind of give you just a quick tour. This is our new building, and we got a lot of cool stuff going right now. So just kind of walk with me. I'm going to show you around. So this, you all have seen videos on my Corvette, and we're finally going to get to start on this thing now, and I'm so excited about it because I'm going to put a 427 in it. We're going to L88 it. It's going to be a clone. It's going to be cool. My son's airplane, we're about to get ready to put this one into paint and get this one all prettied up and get this thing flying, so really excited about that. Right now, we got 3 Piaggios here at the same time, and so just kind of wanted to walk you through that. So this is Piaggio number 1. You all know Hotel Delta. This plane is getting ready to go to a new owner, so this one's going to be leaving soon and going to its new home. So very excited about that. We have got a authentic Hemi Cuda. This is about a $500,000 car. It's original. Just watch for that video. Doing a lot of paint restoration on that, having a ball with that. Over in our original hangar, I'm really excited because this is where the Strikemaster lives. This is where my Jacq 54 lives. And so now we're going to restore the hangar because it is a mess because we've been working in one hangar. We needed to expand. And so you know what? It's a little dirty right now. Don't hold that against me. But here we got 444 Zulu. This is our new airplane that we just got. It just got back from Oklahoma. So I'm going to be doing an update video on our avionics package because this just got an engine package from Garmin. Just got it put in it. And man, I'll tell you what, it is just so cool. This plane is going to be doing a lot of flying. But we got another Piaggio in the back here. These are some folks that have started flying into Sarasota a good bit, and they're having us just do some detail work. So we haven't done much on this airplane yet, but we just got another one, and I thought it might be fun for y'all just to kind of see it, because it's not often that we have 3 or 4 Piaggios in the same place at the same time. There's just not many of these birds out there, but we had 3 at the same time, so I thought, you know what, Jacq? Let's just shoot a video with all 3 Piaggios in it. People are gonna wanna see it. So here's another one. Like I say, we just did a cleanup on this one, but we got her in the hangar, and so just wanted to show you around. And Strikemaster, this is what I'm gonna end this video with. Strikemaster, we're starting to do some work on this. We're gonna get this thing up on Jacq. We're gonna put a new Cleveland brake system in it, do some avionics upgrades. We're gonna get this thing ready to fly. So lots of cool things happening here. Stay tuned to the channel because everything I talked about is gonna be a video coming up. So thanks for tuning in, and we'll see you soon.